Holly McKhann coming to you from Tustin with this incredible home, and it is to die for. You've got 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths spread out over nearly 2,800 square feet on a lot that's over 10,000 square feet. I'm going to take you on a tour through the whole thing so you can see all the details. Let's go. In the front of the house, you'll see a large, expansive yard, and of course, it's been beautifully redone. You've got plenty of space to have gatherings out here or just enjoy the distance. You'll notice the yard has been thoughtfully redesigned with water usage in mind, or should we say no water usage. You've got rocks that obviously don't need any water, just a little bit of weeding here and there, and succulents that require almost no water. As you enter the home, the first thing you see is this room that's currently being used as a dining room. It's got bay windows that let in lots of natural light and air, and you could also use this space for additional seating or living room. The owners currently have it as a dining room, and you can fit a very large table to have big gatherings. From the dining area, you can really appreciate the open concept that comes right in here to the kitchen. And if you like to cook, what a stove. You've got 8 burners and 2 ovens. Perfect for large gatherings, or if you have a big family, you can always be cooking up a storm in here. You've also got beautiful stainless steel appliances throughout the kitchen, and one of my favorite features is the skylight that lets in so much natural light. From the kitchen sink area, you can see through this large opening to the family room, so you can definitely stay connected to whoever's hanging out in there. Connected to the kitchen is this casual eating area. The owners currently have a table, and you've got this great built-in bench that you can have lots of extra seating, and just check out all this extra storage they built in. You've got plenty of room for food, cookbooks, and everything. As you come from the kitchen down to the family room, you'll notice you've got a wet bar. So that's another great thing to have for parties. You could have a whole drink station set up right there with the refrigerator. This family room is so spacious. You've got the big vaulted ceilings with all the exposed wood, so pretty, a huge chandelier, and a cozy fireplace. Downstairs inside the front door on the lower level is this primary suite, but there's another one upstairs that I'll show you next. This not only is large with the exposed beams, it's got a cozy fireplace too. So if you like fireplaces, this home has a couple of them for you to really enjoy. And it's connected to this large bathroom. This bathroom has a gorgeous vanity and a really pretty wood tone, and the tile design is very contemporary and fun, yet still neutral. And you've got a walk-in shower with a vaulted ceiling inside that. That's pretty rare. When you come upstairs, this is another primary suite. So if you've got a multi-generational living situation, or you just like having that guest suite always available, you've got one up and one down. Really convenient. And look how much natural light is in this room. This little room could be used for a home office, storage, a yoga or exercise room, or even a playroom. Beyond the primary suite upstairs, there are 3 additional secondary bedrooms, along with a hall bath, which has also been really nicely updated and remodeled. This large, delightful backyard is accessible from both the lower primary suite as well as the family room. The owners currently have it set up with a fire pit here, but you could have dining and all kinds of enjoyable activities out here. This home sits on over a 10,000 square foot lot, and it's a corner lot, so you have so much privacy. Not only that, but you've got tall walls and shrubs to add extra privacy. There's also additional parking just over this little wall. So if you want to park extra vehicles or recreational vehicles, you've got space for that. This home has so much to offer, so make sure you contact me right away for a tour before it's gone.